Good afternoon, Gym Rocks. Welcome to Royal Oasis Spa for You Educational Tidbits. My name is Zenobia, licensed esthetician in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. For those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by today. Please view all of my other educational videos to learn more about Royal Oasis Spa for You. And don't forget to click that subscribe and notification button to be the first to receive notifications when new educational tidbits videos are uploaded. We want you to stay connected. We want you to stay updated with our latest content from your favorite creator, Zenobia. I share my business with my husband, Corey, who is also a licensed esthetician and caters to the beard treatments, beard maintenance, and those males who are struggling with growing their mane. So you can ask him about the Nobleman Organic Beard Balm and Beard Tonic, or just visit our website at royaloasisspa-gjc.com. If you want to stay in touch and want to know what's happening in our world, engage with us in conversations, and just for entertainment, do a soft subscribe and follow me on all of my social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Royal Oasis Spa. Now, if you are seeking more of a focal point of my business and want to learn about my services and treatments that we provide, feel free to tour my website at www.royaloasisspa-gjc.com. So today we are going to talk about far infrared therapy body wrap. I have made some slides for us to go through together. So you don't just have to listen to me talk, but you can read the slides along as I'm reading them. So we're going to get into this right now. Again, the far infrared therapy body wrap we're going to talk about. So what is infrared body wrap? So infrared body wrap is a cosmetic treatment that uses infrared light to heat targeted body parts. Once infrared light reaches the body, it penetrates it and turns it into heat. This process raises the core body temperature, stimulating production of sweat and release of toxins, fat, cholesterol, and other metabolic waste. Now, during the treatment, the client or the patient is wrapped in a body wrap that is connected to the device, providing infrared light heat. The session lasts about 1 hour, during the client sweats profusely, especially in the last 10 to 20 minutes. And if you're physically active, this treatment can be as every 2 days for excellent outcomes. The best time to do this therapy is immediately before a workout to help destroy the most dramatic volume of calories, and also has the highest result of body definition. I'm highlighting here, you definitely need to drink water. 1 liter of water before and after the service. And since infrared body parts cause the body to sweat profusely, clients or patients need to drink a lot of water before, during, and after the session to prevent dehydration. And this may cause an unpleasant feeling of having to go to the bathroom during your session. I suggest to wear a bathing suit or a lightweight workout clothes, since you will be sweating and bringing a change of clothes to go home in. So you definitely want to be comfortable during this session. You definitely going to need to be exposed in this session. So, like, you know, a top and a bottom, like underwear, is preferable, because you're going to be wrapped up in the sheet. You're going to be wrapped in plastic. All of this is going to draw the heat once you're in that sauna blanket. And you want to make sure you don't have heavyweight clothes on, because it's going to be very uncomfortable. So the prepping before the appointment, you're going to start the appointment with clean skin, no oils, no perfume or lotion. So when you're home, take a shower, and just avoid putting any, perfume lotions and oils and stuff onto your skin. Make sure you are well hydrated before and after your appointment. I can't tell if you're hydrated or not if you drunk the 1 liter of water, but don't waste your money and book the appointment and waste my time if you're not going to stay hydrated. Do not drink alcohol before your session, during your session, after your session, because that's going to cause dehydration. This appointment will be in vain if you do that. Avoid large meals before your session. Shower when you arrive at home after a sweat session. So far infrared body rep can be controlled in 1 degree increments up to 103 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, what is far infrared therapy? I went in kind of in depth with this slide to give, because some people really like details, and I'll read much of it as I can. So what is far infrared therapy is the longest wavelength in the infrared spectrum. Far infrared light reaches deep into the body where toxins are stored. Our body uses sweat to flush out the toxins that we ingest every day through food we eat, water we drink, air we breathe, and products we put on our bodies. Far infrared light stimulates our sweat glands through direct heat, resulting in a deep and detoxifying sweat. It's a form of energy that is contained within both of the sun and all living creatures. It is used in baby incubators in hospitals. It is used by farmers for hatching chicken eggs, and is the energy that turtle eggs absorb from the sun while in the sand on the beach. So it involves the use of infrared rays, which are invisible waves of energy that penetrate the surface of the skin to gently elevate the body's surface temperature and promote body systems functions. Sun therapy is a form of natural far infrared thermal therapy, and far infrared rays are the invisible rays of natural sunlight that have the longest wavelength. So, however, sunlight contains harmful ultraviolet rays, which we know that, which can burn the skin, and people start using pure far infrared heat emitted from healing units, which has similar benefits as sun rays minus the harmful UV rays. So heating is good for the body, especially in ridding infection, and the beneficial effects of saunas are well known, but by far using far infrared sauna, you get the added benefits of increased energy production of cells, increasing collagen and elastin production by the skin, increased circulation, burn calories and fat, increase muscle relaxation, speed injury recovery, boost boost your system metabolism, and detoxifying release of heavy metals stored in the body's fat cells. So infrared therapy is a part of the spectrum of light. The relaxed sauna emits the highest level of pure infrared energy of any sauna on the market. So this energy increases circulation, activates the I cannot pronounce that, energy production, and releases heavy metals that are stored in the body's fat, and it burns calories too. So you can see the slide over here, how the waves penetrate deeply into the tissue here, and how it pushes out toxins stored in the fat cells, and how it stimulates and activates water molecules. So it cleans the body of harmful toxins, improves blood circulation and metabolic function. So what is far infrared therapy? We're going to continue telling you what it is for those who love details. I'm not going to read this slide, but you can see that for yourself. So far infrared therapy is one of the biggest breakthroughs in the health industry. Far infrared improves blood pressure, speed healing, and improves circulation. And the best thing about infrared light, that it teaches us how to heal ourselves with little more than heat and light. Far infrared increases the core temperature of the body, mobilizing the lymphatic system to remove heavy metals and toxins. So you have here like what is the near infrared light, the mid infrared light, and the far infrared light. And as you can see, that is the longest wavelength in the infrared spectrum. It reaches down into the body where the toxins are stored. It stimulates the sweat glands through direct heat, resulting in deep and detoxifying sweat. It heats your body from the inside to expel toxins like heavy metals from deep down. So here you see the epidermis layer, which is our top layer. The dermis is the middle layer. The bottom layer is the subcutaneous layer, that underneath that is the muscle. So that's how far it penetrates into our bodies. So what does infrared do? As I already stated, but we're going to break it down. Penetrates deep into the human skin and tissues where the muscles are. It makes it suitable for treating a range of health conditions. It has is a detoxifying. It's detoxifying. It gives you relaxation. It improves circulation, weight loss, and skin purification. It helps you to get rid of the body chemicals and pollutants, rejuvenate the cells, the tissues, the organs of the body, thus facilitating a return to health. So that's what it does. So the wraps assist in detoxification. So the treatment heats up the body, increasing the production of sweat. Sweating is a process of releasing liquid from the body through sweat glands. So the infrared heat also stimulates the body to release toxins with the excess water. More toxins are sweated during an infrared body wrap session than during exercises. So you get more of a benefit here by just laying there and letting the blanket, your own body heat do the work for you. So you'll sweat more calories than you would sweating by exercising. The wrap also assists in weight loss. So it's estimated that the infrared sweat wraps stimulate the production of 3 to 5 times more sweat than with exercise, and they burn up to 1,400 calories in an hour. That is a lot. So infrared heat increases the metabolism and assists in breaking down stored fat. So the treatment is also great for contouring the body, as patients notice a significant reduction in their waist and their thigh size after multiple sessions. So the wraps assist in detoxification, assist in weight loss. It also assists in cellulite. Cellulite is a form of the fat beneath the skin that makes the skin look lumpy, so often resembling an orange peel. The body wraps stimulate profuse sweating. The process accelerates the release of toxins and fats, reducing the appearance of cellulite. So also this is good treatment for assisting in clear skin. So as we age, it takes the body longer to remove dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, clogging our pores and making the skin look dull. So infrared body wraps stimulate sweat production, speeding up the process of shedding dead skin cells, removing toxins, and cleansing the pores. After each session, the skin looks clear and rejuvenated because it has expelled from the body. All of the toxins have expelled from the body, and it stimulates the sweat. So you're getting rid of those toxins, those heavy metals, and just pushing all of that excess off of your skin. Also, the wrap reduces pain and speeds up fitness recovery. So the heat that penetrates the body increases blood flow. So the blood circulation and acts on painful nerve endings, relaxing pain. Athletes undergo infrared body treatments to treat sore muscles and to speed up recovery after injuries, sprains, and strains. So the therapy is also popular with arthritis and other chronic pain patients. The wrap improves sleep and your mode. So infrared body wraps soothe the nerves, it relaxes muscles, it relieves stress, causing the client or the patient to feel cozy and calm. Relaxation is the most immediate effect of infrared sweat wrap treatment, and it may help the client improve their mode in their sleep activity. So the benefits of far infrared technology, the heat can maintain and enhance the wellness of the human body. Heat therapy is used internationally by medical professionals for relief of sports injuries, detoxing, even hospital nurseries to warm newborns. Excuse me. Wound healing, it reduces soreness on the nerve endings and muscle spasms by warming muscle fibers. Excuse me, and soothes tension and stress in both body and mind. So I just did this little chart over here of what the benefits are. It boosts our immune system. It gives us relief in pain. It helps strengthen our cardiovascular system and improves detoxification, blood circulation. So all of these things right here in this box are the benefits of doing the far infrared body wrap. What are the contraindications? And here's a list of them. Avoid alcohol, drug abuse, avoid infrared if you have a fever, acute bleeding, a blood disorder, communicable disease, and if you're insensitive to heat, pregnant women, heart disease, implants, artificial joints, metal pins in implants, multiple sclerosis, or I can't pronounce that, so you figure it out. I'm bad with words. Recent injuries, joint injuries, children under 12 years old, type 1 diabetes. And so heat can dehydrate the body. I put in parentheses, brain tumor. All of these are contraindications that will not that will prohibit you from receiving the treatment. I haven't done these educational tidbits in so long, so it's I feel like I'm new at this again with trying to speak about these services. So I recommend you consult with your doctor before using far infrared, especially if you're one using prescription medication, because this service is not suitable for everyone. The short-term effects. So there's no scientific proof that infrared body wrap can do a permanent weight loss, which we should already know that. The treatment helps the body get rid of excess water weight, which has a temporary weight loss effect. However, regular sessions with daily exercise and a balanced diet provide desired long-term effects. Infrared sweat wraps improve skin tone, reduce cellulite and boost energy levels temporarily. So to prolong those lasting effects of this therapy, it's best to continue with regular treatments. This treatment is considered to be safe, non-invasive, providing clients and patients with a fast and relaxing way to detoxify and regenerate and beautify. So that's all that I have for this lesson. This is something I am ready to introduce to my menu, along with the pressotherapy and the cryolipolysis. I am definitely all about, mind, body, and spirit. This is another way that you can naturally lose weight, contour your body. Also a way to expel toxins and heavy metals from your body. So, I hope you definitely will try this service. I will probably be launching this probably in the next couple of weeks. There's a few more things I need to purchase, but we have the main machine for this service. So here are my links here, my handles. Thanks again for, watching this video. Tour my website at the Royal Oasis Spa-GJC.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see the link there. Also, there is my booking tool for the Booksy app. Definitely create a profile. It's going to ask you for your credit card information, all of your personal information that I will not have and will not see. But we definitely would love to see you. If you have any questions, please give me a call. On my website, if you go to the contact page, there is an area where you can email me your questions or comments or whatever you may have about any of my services. There's also links on my website under the contact page for magazine articles that you can read, and other things that I have done. There's links there. So yes, please share, like, comment on this video about the far infrared therapy. I did a lot of research on this service. I wanted to do slides because it's a lot of information and I went through it pretty quickly, which I didn't think I was going to go through it that fast. But this is something definitely I want to get into for myself. I'm not the type of person that likes to do a lot of exercising. So this is something I definitely look forward to doing. Just remember to drink that water before, during, and after. Seek consultation from your doctor to see if this is something that's suitable for you. And yeah, let's get started on the services. In the next couple of weeks, I will be announcing it on social media to let you know when it's available to start booking for this service. But this is the information and compressed to tell you about far infrared therapy body wraps. I hope you liked it. Definitely read over it, go back and review it later. But thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Happy 4th of July is coming up. Y'all be safe out there. Be blessed. All right. Thank you. Bye.